Hi, I'm going to pick a winner for the velvet yarn. I will post a link down below for the velvet yarn found on Amazon. There's many different colors to choose from. The one that I found it on or at Michael's. And so I'm giving that one away, and all you need to do is contact me. My email is listed down below, and contact me with your address and I can send it out as soon as possible. Also, I have posting or links for Knit Crate. Each month you can get 2 skeins of yarn with a booklet for $24.95. If you sign up under me with the promo code Jewel20, you get your first month 20% off. I have mugs and a bag for sale at my Etsy store, which is listed down below. Also, I have 2 books for sale on Amazon, both Kindle, but this one also, this Crochet for Beginners, has the paperback, and Crochet Hats for Beginners is a Kindle. Okay, so let's see who the winner is. It's Gina Ingram. Congratulations. Please contact me. I'll give it a week or so and I'll have to pick a new winner if I don't hear from this person. They wrote, in the process of making a blanket with this yarn. My grandson wants a blanket from Velvet Yarn. All right, well, congratulations. And thank you everybody for participating and subscribing. And I will have more giveaways, few a week. So look out for those.